you have standstill water in your yard? Unfortunately, many people experience the same thing, which brings a stench that is unwanted and unwelcome. The problem occurs when the soil in your yard becomes stagnant from sodium and sulfate buildup caused by runoff soaps and detergents into your septic tank. This causes a chemical reaction in the soil that makes your drain field lock up, causing smelly, standstill water on the surface of your yard. We created SeptiFlow to unlock your soil, allowing water absorption back into the ground where it belongs, reducing the chance of having to dig up your entire system. One thing to remember, SeptiFlow will not work on a completely clogged system. It works by pouring into your toilet, distribution box, or directly into your leach field. This process is simple yet effective. Don't just take our word for it. Take a look at the hundreds of satisfied customers from around the country. SeptiFlow cleans, clears, and resets the entire septic system from the drain to the outer septic field. Eliminates sodium and sulfate buildup in your septic system. Is the #1 rated and trusted septic system shock repair on Amazon and is proudly made here in the USA. Say goodbye to smelly standstill water and hello to SeptiFlow.